We are very excited to announce another Boozang release, this time a major release, which means it's Boozang 8. And it's been fairly quiet with releases over the summer, but now we've instead stacked a number of features for you in this new release. And if you go to our guest site, boozang.com, you can also see it's been redesigned. So let us know what you think about this new design. And if you go to the footer, you can find the release notes there, the link for the release notes. This is the major release 8. And if you look at the different features we have is basically we've replaced the icon set in Boozang to be a standardized icon font to make the icons a little clearer. And that also enabled us to do dark mode, which has been long requested. That means now when you have dark mode set on your computer, you will be able to get the dark mode, and you can also switch between the light and dark mode depending on your preference. We've also added an upstream test case navigator when you need to find references. Let's say you have a cucumber test step that points to one of the tests. You can now easily navigate up and understand when you have really big projects to understand how everything is set together. So I think this is very important. There's a number of UI improvements that I'm going to show you and a couple of bug fixes in this release as well. So now if you go to, I'm going in accessing our staging environment here, but if you go to the management UI, you also seen that we've changed the colors here. They're a little crazy, these colors, but they work both in light mode and dark mode now. And as you can see, you can shift here, hitting the moon there to shift between dark and light mode, okay? And then if you do launch a project, you can see the dark mode here. You can also shift here on the same button, right? So as you can see, if you look at this UI, you can see that the icons are a little clearer now. So for instance, if I select many things, you'll have basically it's a new standardized icon set. And basically we would have to redo a lot of things, but we think we cleaned up the UI in general. So I hope you give us some feedback on this. As you can see, we've also simplified, we had a lot of icons here before, and we want to make the tool a little more beginner friendly. So now we stacked a lot of the tools that you don't usually use underneath this tool icon, and we redone the sidebar a little bit. So let us know what you think about this. I will also do a couple of feature videos after this video to explain, for instance, the upstream test navigator. So let us know what you think, and I hope you enjoy dark mode in Boozang.